Hello world, thank you so much for choosing my channel. It's Asani Beauty here, coming to you with another video. And guess what? There are some major savings going on in beauty and I had to tell you about it. You know, if I'm making this video, I have something to say. So guess who's giving the savings right now in the month of March and going into April? It is ULTA Beauty. Today I want to go over the ULTA, the most recent ULTA circular. It is now ULTA's 21 Days of Beauty. If you can see this. This ULTA's 21 Days of Beauty. This is the most recent circular. Forgive me if mine is a little messed up because I've thrown it everywhere and gotten it wet. But you can also see this online. So, ULTA is having their 21 Days of Beauty. They have daily beauty steals up to 50% off the most loved brands from March 18th to April 7th. So, it's already started. Like I said, it's 21 Days of Beauty. You can also go online and look at it at ulta.com/21 days of beauty. So here it is. So this is what it looks like here. Every day from the 18th to April 7th, we have some items here that you can get up to 50% off. So most of these are high-end items that you can get at 50% off if you go in the ULTA store on these given days and select these items. Since it's already started, we have missed a couple of days. But here's are some items that I have my eye on here. I have my eye on the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, which goes on sale March 24th. It's regular $22. It'll be on sale for $11. It's right here on the 24th. Right here. Alright, okay, the next one that caught my eye, and just to say about Stila, their waterproof liquid eyeliner, I have tried it. I purchased a Sephora value pack for their value set for eyeliners, and they had the Stila eyeliner in there. I was really pleased with it. The tip of it was really awesome. So I'm definitely going to pick that one up because I've used it and I've liked it. Another thing that they had here that caught my eye was the IT Cosmetics Confident in a Compact SPF 50. Regular price $38. They're going to have it on sale for $19 here. And if you're into, I saw another one I thought on here. Yeah, so I may take a look at the IT Cosmetics here for $19. And the reason why is because it's about to get warm in Georgia. And I do want to wear some type of coverage this summer, but I know it won't be a liquid. So I'm going to give powder a try. So I might pick that one up. Another one that I saw that was of interest to me was on March 28th. Their Tarte's Double Take Eyeliner will be $12. Half off from $24, which is the regular price. Estee Lauder is also wearing giving out items that day as well. So that would be on the 28th as an item there that I'm thinking of. What else here? Oh yeah, on March 31st, take note that the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil will be $10.50, regular price $21. So definitely getting that one. The Anastasia here on March 31st. I'm going to give that a go. I already used the Anastasia Brow Pomade. And I was looking to try a pencil because I wanted something easier, just on the go, just boom, 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 boom. Since I'm to the point where I don't really have to use the concealer and all that stuff to clean up my brows, I'm just really trying to go to simplicity, especially for the summer. Alright, what else did I see that caught my eye? Oh yeah, the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus Hydrating Spray. That is gonna be half off on April 7th, and it is going to be $13. Regular price $26. So I'll definitely be taking advantage on this one on April 7th. So those are my items. Definitely go to ULTA's website and click on their most recent weekly ad, most recent circular. Also, if you're not signed up for ULTA to receive their paper ad in the mail, you can definitely do that. Okay, so now that I've told you about the discounts that you can get through Ulta in their 21 Days of Beauty, I also want to tell you how you can save additional money by shopping at Ulta. If you're not already, I would like for you to go to www.ebates.com and sign up for the service. It is free. What you're going to do is create a profile. They're going to ask for your address, and they're also going to ask you how you would like to receive your money. You can receive it as a check quarterly, or you can receive it as a direct deposit quarterly. So what you're going to do is go to eBay, set up your profile, and then you're going to go to the Ulta site through eBay. What's going to happen is the eBay site is going to create a ticket in which it is going to track your purchase so that you receive whatever percentage of cash back Ulta is giving that day. So what you'll do is over the quarter, as you shop online using at Ulta and quite a few other stores that are listed on eBay, you're going to accumulate either your tax back or your shipping back from your purchases, depending on how much you buy and depending on the cash back on those days. So definitely click on the link. I have it right here in the description box. Sign up for eBates using this link that I'm giving you, and then go through to Ulta online, purchase those items, and watch the cash come back in. Hey, you guys. Here's another thing. If you like this video, if you think it's going to be helpful to a friend or family member or someone that's interested in beauty or just saving money, definitely tell them about eBates and also tell them about shopping online as a benefit. If you like this video, definitely hit like, subscribe, and also share it with a friend or a family member who may find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Have a wonderful and blessed day, and stay beautiful on the inside and the outside. Thank you, guys.